to continue with our conditional statements in Java, means decision making in Java. In previous slides, we have learned about the if and if else and multiple if. Now, in this, we are going to learn about the very interesting topic, switch statement. Switch statement is very interesting topic in the conditional statement. So we will continue with that. Okay. Now see what it can come into the multi-branching statement. It is another type of flow of control in which one out of multiple blocks of a statement is executed based on the given condition. Generally, we use switch case statement to handle multiple branching flow of control. Students, we can understand it like this, that in a house there are multiple switches, many switches, but when we come to the room, it is that what switch we need to on. Suppose we just need to on only light switch, so we will there are switches, many switches, but our choice is there. Our choice is there that we will switch on the room light switch. And fan also if we need, and if we need the AC also, and if we need night bulb also, then this switches will be it is just our choice to switch on a light from the switchboard. Like that only in this program also, switch statement, multiple cases are given as switches. Okay, in case you can say that it has been given into switches, and above that there is a choice for you all. Whatever the choice you are going to give, that case will execute. Okay, if it was that it was a flow of control, that control will go first to above one, then it will come to second one. But in this, whatever the choice you are going to give, the control will flow to that only. Okay, in C, it is written in a switch case statement, a number of blocks are created under different cases. All the cases are enclosed within curly braces under switch statement. A particular case is executed based on given through value of user's choice. That I have told you that the switch, the choice has been given, and that is known as control variable because it has a control on the case passed as an argument on the switch statement. See, this is example, switch here, and here the choice is given A. Case 1 is system out dot println good. Case 2, system out dot println better. Case 3, best. And at the last, students, we all give a default case. In the default case, we always print a invalid statement. Okay. In the above program, suppose above A we have given the value 1, then this statement will execute, and we write break also. In the switches programming, three things are very important. One, control variable; second, break variable; third, your default. Okay, your default keyword, your break keyword, default keyword, and case is as there. It is written as like as it is written here. Okay, in the construct above shown, a number of cases are enclosed within switch statement. A particular case will be executed when matched with the value of a control variable A. Okay, and it doesn't match, then it will print invalid. Okay, see how terms related with switch statement. First is control variable. Control variable in which we give a choice. Okay, the variable passed as an argument to the switch statement that decide which case is to be executed by the variable. Okay, now break statement is very important because if we are not going to put break in between, then it will go, just condition will come. If there is no break here, then condition will go here, it will come here. Okay, if there is break, then if we have given choice, then our condition will come directly to the third. This is the statement used at the end of the case, which acts as the case terminator. Yeah, it is used as a to terminate a case. As soon as break is encountered, the control variable is forced to move out of the switch block. Okay. Now default case. If there is, as I have told you, that if there is no match of the case, then default case will work. Okay, see here, it is your control variable, your case, your break, and here default statement is must. Now fall through, it is very important. It is directly asked in your board, what is control variable, what is break case statement, what is default case in switch. It is, these are the direct question which are asked in your ICSC, in your board. Now fall through, in a case a break statement is not used for the end of a case, the control enters to the next case for execution. This condition is called to be fall through. See what is fall through? Here case 1 is there, case 2 is there, but no break has been used. So break has been not used. Here at the last the break has been used. So the case will come here, and then here, and the break is missing. So the missing of this break in the case is known as fall through, because then there will be no termination of the case. See here, a menu driven program of switch case. Generally, a switch case program is known as menu driven. Now, what is menu driven? You must understand. When we waiter, we all go to restaurant. We see that a menu comes to us, and we see what is there, what are there. We make a choice that we have to select this one, this one, this one. Like that only in menu driven program, in switch case, first we give our choices what we are going to do in the program. See, in first case we are going to find out area of an equilateral triangle. Second case we are going to find out area of isosceles triangle. Third case we are going to find of area of scalene triangle. See in this, so there will be three cases, and at last we are going to write our choice, what the choice of we are. Suppose we have given our choice 2, then the program will give the output of only area of an isosceles triangle. So if we have input C2, suppose we have input in C4, so there is no 4, so it will print our default case. Okay, see in the case 1 switch, we have to write like this only. We have given here C choice our case 1. Here is all the formula of to find out equilateral triangle, and then break statement. See, in switch case is open, and case 1 is terminated with the help of break. No curly braces is closed here. Now case 2 is also there, case 3 is also there. Okay, and case case 3 was there. Here all the formula has been given with now break, and at last we have given a default choice, default statement. That means it is a wrong choice. If we have input in C4 or 5, then it will print just only system out dot println wrong choice. And if we have print 1, then it will, we have input 1, then it will print the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, like that, the case which you have, the choice which you have input, the case, that case will only execute, and it will come out from the program through the break statement. Now this is our second program. Again, it is also a menu driven program to calculate the maturity of a bank deposit. Okay, we have to do this term deposit, recurring deposit. The formula has been given to how to accept a principal rate of interest time period in years. Okay, see how we have to do it. Here we have the two cases were there. Okay, now menu list is given, two case term deposit and recurring deposit we have to do. Okay, and then switch case, the choices has been given. Here we have find out how the term deposit is find out, and how your recurring deposit. Okay, at last we have given a wrong statement, invalid choice. If our choice is not valid and not matching to our case, then it will print invalid choice. Now, see students, here is a quick review that in these question answers are there, and you all have to write these question answers and whatever the notes have been given in the PPT in your class registers. I'll send PDF of this, so you all do. These questions are very important according to your board also. Okay, these questions are directly asked how it is written in this. So please pay attention towards this theory portion. and whatever has been given in the PPT, each of the lines should be written in your class registers. Okay, see here, all the question answers are here. You have to write down in your class registers. If students, there is any problem, if you have any confusion, you can personally ask me in my WhatsApp number. Okay.